Hello, friends. Welcome back. I hope that you had an awesome spring break. I can't believe that we only have a few weeks left of second grade. You have done so awesome this year. I'm so proud of you. We are ready today for lesson 93 in Saxon Phonics, and you should have an activity sheet with 7 words on it. You need to go ahead and pause the video, put these words in alphabetical order, and then come back and check your work with me. All right, welcome back. So I hope that you did take the time to put these words in alphabetical order. The first thing that I did when I was putting these words in ABC order was underline the first letter of each word. And then I noticed that chicken and catfish both started with the letter C. So I had to also underline the second letter in those words. But the order that I came up with was beef, catfish, chicken, deer, mutton, pork, and turkey. How did you do? Good? Awesome. All right, we are also going to quickly review 9 sounds. I want you to echo the sound, and then instead of writing them down, we're going to air spell. So let me go ahead and stop sharing. We're going to air spell the letters. These are only 1-letter responses, so we should be able to go pretty quickly. Number 1, yeah. Yeah. Y says yeah. Number 2, b. B. B says b. Number 3, ah. Ah. A says ah. Number 4, x. X. X says x. Number 5, p. P. P says p. Number 6, ah. Ah. O says ah. Number 7, mm. Mm. N says n. Number 8, w. W. W says w. And number 9, g. G. G says g. Very good. Now you can get out your spelling and high frequency word practice page. We are going to practice spelling some words together. Under the review box for number 1, let's spell the word flaw. Flaw. F-L-A-W. Flaw. Number 2, let's spell the word mention. Mention. M-E-N, then shun. Final stable syllable. T-I-O-N. Mention. And number 3, spell the word cupful. Cupful. So the root word cup, C-U-P, then suffix full, F-U-L. Cupful. All right, these next 3 are sight words. They don't follow the spelling pattern, so we just have to spell them from our memory. Number 4, spell the word stranger. Stranger. S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R. Stranger. Number 5 is whose. Whose. W-H-O-S-E. Whose. And number 6 is country. Country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. U-N-T-R-Y. Country. Great job. You can put this worksheet aside for a few moments. We are going to do our new skill today. I want you to echo these words and listen for a sound they all have in common. Ball, stall, fall. What sound do you hear that's the same in ball, stall, fall? Do you hear the aw sound? Look at these words. What letter is making the aw sound? Aw. Usually O says aw, but this time A is saying that sound. When the letter A comes before L, it often has a sound similar to short O, aw. So we will code the A that sounds similar to short O with 2 dots, just like this. They kind of look like eyes. Oops. My marker's drying out. There we go. Can you see my 2 dots? Look like eyes. Do these words need any other coding? No, they do not. Ball, all. When you hear the aw sound before final L in a 1-syllable word, it will follow the floss rule and the L will be doubled. The problem is knowing if it's an A or an O. So this is an irregular spelling. Okay. So when you hear A, that sounds like aw, short O, put 2 dots like eyes. Those may help you see that it is a different sound. Okay. I have a picture card to go along with this new skill. This is something that people carry with them, maybe in their pocket or their purse. It holds money. Mine has my checkbook inside too. Wallet, very good. Wallet, aw. This is to help you remember the A sounds like aw in wallet. Wallet. Very good. So now go back to our worksheet. We are going to practice spelling words with the aw sound. Under the new sounds and words box, let's spell some words that have A before L. So on number 7, let's spell the word fall. Fall. F-A-L-L. This is the floss rule. Double that L. Fall. Number 8, spell the word also. Also. A-L-S-O. Also. The L is not doubled because it's not at the end of the word. So just one L in also. And number 9, let's spell always. Always. A-L-W-A-Y-S. Always. Again, the L is not doubled because it is not at the end of the word. Always. Don't forget to practice reading and spelling the words in your high frequency word box. Lots of these words have the A before L pattern. And then you have a full sheet of lines. So I want to see if you can use all 8 of those words to make a story. I can't wait because you are so creative and write awesome stories. All right, now let's go to our worksheet and we will practice coding our words. All right, for number 1, we have vowel digraph EA. The E is making the long sound, so a macron. The A is silent. The S is followed by Y, so we're going to put a line through it. It's going to sound like Z. Now we have E, and Y is acting as a vowel this time with one consonant in between. The Y is acting as a vowel, so we have to put a dot above it. So E-Z, easy, easy. First syllable is accented. For number 2, we need a K back on the C. We have A before L. How do we code A before L? 2 dots. That means the A sounds like aw, k, all, call. Very good. For number 3, I don't see any obvious coding. How many vowels do you see? Vowel A, one consonant between. So if I divide here, this would say lad. Does that sound right? Say lad? No, let's divide here after the consonant. The A before L, sorry. Well, we have A before L, so that would say saw. We need a breathe. Sorry, we need a breathe. Sal. Schwa above the A. Salad. Salad. This was a tough word to code. I'm sorry about that. Salad. Sometimes A before L, that works at the end of the word. Salad. Sorry about the confusion. All right. Accent mark on the first syllable. Salad. I hope I didn't confuse you. A before L is at the end of the word. Okay, so this is a breathe. Sal. Then we have the schwa for the A because it starts out the syllable. Salad. Okay, let's move on to number 4. We need a K back on the C. We have A consonant E. Macron above the A. Cross out the silent E. Cane. Cane. Very good. Number 5, final stable syllable. BLE. Bracket. Cross out the final E. Add your accent mark. We have vowel digraph EE. Macron above the first E. Cross out the second E. Feeble. Feeble. Very good. All right, now for number 6, we have A before L. Okay, so this could be ah or ah. Out, out, alt. This one we want it to say ah. So now we put the 2 dots above it. Halt, halt, like stop. So you just have to try them out, see which works. Football is played in the fall and baseball is played in the spring. Number 7, this is an opinion question. I love this. I can't read what you write. Do you like to play ball? If so, what kind of ball do you like to play? So you can write yes or no, and then what kind of ball do you like to play? So for me, yes, I like softball and volleyball. Your answers might be different than mine. And then next we have leaves have a yearly life cycle. The leaves drop in the fall and come back in the spring. Do trees have leaves in the summer? So they drop in the fall. Well, fall comes after summer, so yes. They come back in the spring, so they're here in the summer. Do leaves grow in the spring? Yes, they come back and they grow. Right. Okay. So I want to go back up here to the A before L. I am so sorry that I might have confused you. Okay. So with the salad, I'm going to pick out salad again and halt. So for salad, we found the two vowels and the consonant, and we tried it out, and it needed to be divided after the consonant. So you just have to try both ah and ah to see which one sounds right. Okay. We already knew this A was going to say id. So this could say salad, or all id. So you just have to try it out. Again, with halt, this could have been ah or ah. So you have to try out or alt. We decided that ah sounded better. So try it out and see which one makes a real word. Okay. Now, when you join me for the worksheet, for your homework, for number 1, you need 1 code. Number 2 has 6. Number 3 has 9. Number 4 has 3. Number 5 has 2. And number 6 has 2. So again, your codes are 1, 6, 9, 3, 2, 2. All right, great job today, second grade. I can't wait to read your stories and what kind of ball you like. I'll talk to you tomorrow.